Hi there everybody, Mechanical Brain is online again, and today in this video I will show you how to make this nice chainmail weave named Windmill. So it's interesting weave because in one axis it's quite rigid and in other it's totally loose. And also I think that in some ring sizes it will be nice for capturing cabochons. Well, let's start. Also, there is one interesting thing about this video. I have just hidden the name of the weave from my next video in this tutorial. So, if you think you are an attentive person, you could try not only to get the windmill weave, this one, but also you can get the name of the next weave. And if you found it, then put for example, put yellow unicorn in comments. If there will be enough participants, then during the next month I will give away some rings using the similar way. Well, good luck! And let's start our tutorial. So here you can see the characteristics of the rings I'm using for this tutorial. Okay, first of all, let's make a simple stripe of European 4-in-1. Now, second step, put your European 4-in-1 like that. That's it. Now I will take this stripe in my hands so you can see things better. So here are our 4 rings, and we must add one more open ring through these 4 closed rings. So at first our open ring will go below this one, then above this one, then below this one, and then again above this one. Below, above. Now below, you see. And now above again. Now let's close our ring. Okay, here is the ring that I have just closed. Now let's rotate our construction like that. Now we got a small piece of windmill and some 4-in-1 chain. Okay, let's take another open ring. Ooh. Focus, where are you? Here you are. And now our open ring again will go here from below, in this ring from above, and in next ring from below, like that. See? Like that. And through this ring. Okay, like that. Now let's close the ring. Okay, to finish our chainmail sample, let's take our small piece of chain, unit of chain unit, or unit of chain. How is it right? I don't know. Well, okay, and let's take our open ring here, and let's think where to put this ring. I think it will go through this ring from below here and from above through this one. Okay, 2 rings to go. I think that it should go through this ring, this one. Like that. Like that, yes, that's correct. Okay. And then through this one, the last ring. Up, like that. That's it. Now let's close this ring. So, here we are. I hope you got the point. Okay, guys and girls, that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I wish you a nice day. Bye bye. See you next time.